The Industrial Revolution, which began in Britain in the late 18th century and spread worldwide, was a transformative period that reshaped every aspect of society. It introduced groundbreaking technologies such as the steam engine, mechanized spinning, and the power loom, revolutionizing manufacturing processes. The shift from manual labor to mechanized production led to unprecedented economic growth and urbanization, with people flocking to cities for factory work. James Watt's improvements to the steam engine in the 1760s played a crucial role in this transformation, making it more efficient and adaptable to various industries, including textiles and transportation. The development of the steam locomotive and railways facilitated the rapid movement of goods and people, linking distant markets and accelerating economic integration. Socially, the Industrial Revolution brought profound changes. It led to the rise of a new industrial working class and a wealthy entrepreneurial class. The factory system introduced regimented work hours and conditions that often sparked labor movements advocating for better working conditions and rights. Urbanization led to the growth of cities, but also brought challenges such as overcrowding, pollution, and health issues. Technological advancements during the Industrial Revolution also spurred innovations in communication, with the invention of the telegraph by Samuel Morse in 1837, enabling instant long-distance communication. This period marked the beginning of modern industrial economies and had lasting impacts on global trade, labor, and social structures, laying the foundations for the contemporary world.